Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So over the last 3 days, it looks like Bitcoin has taken a bit of a hit. We're just kind of waiting right now for Bitcoin to rebound. Currently, Bitcoin is sitting in around 93,400 per coin. I mean, there is a possibility that we could see Bitcoin come back down to this $90,000 level, a far cry from what we saw on Monday when Bitcoin did reach $102,000 per coin. So why is the market dumping? I mean, Bitcoin is just the leading factor. We're also seeing some altcoins lose some market share. This courtesy of Ash Crypto. Okay, 3 reasons behind the sudden Bitcoin and crypto dump. So first of all, better jobs data. Yesterday, U.S. job opening data came in at 9.096 million, exceeding the consensus of 7.605 million. Good economic data means fewer rate cuts, which is bearish, though, for risk on assets, guys. If there's fewer rate cuts, that means people are more likely to be saving their money and keeping it in at a higher interest rate. They're borrowing less because the interest rate is higher. New pandemic fear, similar to C-19, the beer flu. There's now the fear of something new. Yesterday, there were a few cases reported globally, which has caused panic as investors are relating this with 2020. I do not want to see another one of those opportunities, especially not now in the cycle. Then there's also oil prices, guys. Russia and OPEC members have tightened the oil supply, which resulted in high oil prices, or oil prices rising, rather. Higher oil prices mean higher inflation, which will stop the Fed from doing aggressive rate cuts. I think most of these factors are being overestimated by investors. Soon there will be a reversal, and the crypto market will see a face-melting rally. So there's always, or at least there should always be, a silver lining. As you guys can see, we're back at 49, so under that 50 midpoint mark. Sentiment in neutral. Market cap is down by a little bit, so is the volume. You can see Bitcoin dominance still holding on up here. Mostly, though, not too much in terms of any kind of significant moves for most cryptocurrencies. Some are up, some are down. At the moment, we're still just in this holding pattern, the wait-and-see pattern, that trending sideways before we see another move to the upside. And so some people are wondering, is the XRP top in? I wanted to bring you guys this tweet from Moon Lambo in case you guys are worried that, the top is in. There are many chart analysts who say that XRP has already hit its peak from the market cycle and it's only going down from here. Fun fact, 0% of these analysts making this claim predicted that XRP would increase in demand dramatically as it ultimately did in November. Most of these doom-speaking analysts have an irrational hatred for XRP and suffer from the affliction known as XRP derangement syndrome. Why would I take an analyst seriously on this topic when they're saying the top is in, yet they failed to predict that XRP would pop in the first place? They missed one of the biggest moves in the crypto cycle, and we're supposed to take them seriously? We're supposed to believe they're skilled? We're supposed to believe their bias didn't bleed into their analysis? All very good points. Moon Lambo, XRP is going to hit a new all-time high, enter price discovery, and melt faces. That's my bet anyway. And guys, for more information on what I'm doing, I think the same. You can follow my trading journey over there at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. This certainly isn't it. XRP has just made that first move to the upside. Now we're trending. If you guys check out the XRP chart here, we are formulating that bullish pennant pattern. And for all my Patreon subscribers, I think I'm going to have a Q&A this Sunday. I'm trying to maximize the amount of people that can make it to the Q&A. I know some people have to work during the week, so I'm going to make it this Sunday. This is for the Patreon subscribers. For more information on what I'm doing this bull run, again, you can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. Plus, you can ask me questions at the Q&A that is going to be happening live this coming Sunday. What's the date? I guess it would be Sunday, January the 12th, 2025. So no, the top is not in yet. Hate to say definitively that last move was it, but it seems like it was good enough and a good reaction. Optimistic that it was. Blockchain backer reposting his tweet from January the 3rd here would be very simulation-ish for something to happen next Tuesday. And Tuesday was a couple of days ago. What he was presuming here was that XRP could blow off top. Unfortunately, it still has not happened yet, guys. I still do think we need to see a big move in Bitcoin. We do need to see alts really move. We do need to see Bitcoin dominance continue to trend downward. And right now, we're just kind of still in this wait-and-see period for Bitcoin dominance as well. Bitcoin dominance is back up. As of the time of this recording, to almost 58%. So no, we're almost there, but not quite there yet. Wanted to thank the blockchain backer and Mood Lambo, and of course Ash Crypto just for posting those. Now, Michael Branch, guys, bringing this to our attention. Apparently, Bitstamp has now added Ripple's RLUSD for trading against 6 major pairs. Considering they are a Ripple partner, this is no surprise to me. They're supporting the RLUSD, a US-denominated stablecoin, to expand the choices for investors and businesses. This addition enables users to trade RLUSD on the platform together with several other pairs now, including the regular US dollar, the euro, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and USDT. The exchange added support for RLUSD on the Ethereum network, giving users a stable digital currency fully backed by the asset. RLUSD is integrated to cater to both retail and institutional investors and offers a safe and efficient method of undertaking transactions in digital assets. And remember, guys, this is going to be important for enterprise-grade solutions for companies that are looking to transfer large values. Ripple designed the RLUSD for enterprise-grade applications. The stablecoin is intended for payments, tokenization, and DeFi, giving companies a reliable blockchain-based means of conducting their operations. Down here, we got some more information regarding Monica Long. Also, the RLUSD can be traded on Archax, B2C2, Bitso, and Uphold as well. And so, guys, the liquidity for RLUSD is continuing to grow. It is starting off slowly, but guys, it will be growing, and probably by later into 2025, we're going to see a more meaningful adoption for the RLUSD. So it's baby steps for the RLUSD so far. Wanted to thank Michael for posting that. Wrath of Kahneman also bringing this to our attention. RippleNet user DLocal has acquired an authorized payment institutional license from the UK's FCA. So this is big news for Ripple partner DLocal. They now have a license from the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK. Following this announcement, the license adds to DLocal's portfolio of global regulation authorizations, allowing the company to start onboarding merchants and businesses in the region of the UK. DLocal will target both domestic firms as prospective clients as well as global businesses with a presence in the region. At the same time, the company will continue to focus on meeting the needs, preferences, and demands of clients and customers in an ever-evolving market while prioritizing the process of remaining compliant with the regulatory requirements and laws of the industry as well. This license will enable DLocal to offer comprehensive and secure suite of regulated payment solutions for UK-based merchants, including seamless pay-ins and payouts, cross-border transactions, and advanced fund controls. At the same time, merchants will be allowed to expand their international reach with DLocal's localized payment solutions, which includes more than 900 alternative payment methods. So they're really looking to expand here. Of course, companies with more of these global licenses can really do have a leg up, I guess, compared to their competitors. It's an arms race for these guys. They want to have the latest technology. They need to be on the latest tech, and if they want to compete with the bigger companies, the big banks, or financial institutions, the legacy companies that have been around for a while, they do have to meet these requirements, and they do need to get these types of licenses. But once they do, I think the sky is the limit. With brand new technology, DLT running through these smaller companies, now we have a level playing field, and now we can really see how the world is going to change with all this innovation taking place. So great news here for Ripple partner DLocal. Wanted to thank the Wrath of Kahneman for posting that. I think it's also probably worth mentioning that Grayscale's large cap fund has now been rebalanced, and the amount of XRP has increased, guys. 5.05% is the total, and Cardano's ADA was added back in as well. I guess they had removed that for a while. As of January the 6th, 2025, Grayscale's fund components were a basket of the following assets and weightings. As a result of the rebalancing, AVAX has now been removed, and Cardano has now been added. So you guys can see it here. Bitcoin still makes up the lion's share at over 73.5%, then Ethereum at 16.16%. XRP, though, at number 3, 5.05%, then Solana at 3.83%, then Cardano at 1.44%. So XRP number 3 in the Grayscale Trust, of course, just below Bitcoin and Ethereum, a rebalancing of the portfolio. But as XRP gains value, I think with the with the ETFs coming out, we're going to see more institutional investment in XRP, or rather in those XRP ETFs, which will in fact result in XRP price going up, just because because there'll be more demand. These institutions will have to buy up more XRP to back their products. So, and as a result, I'm assuming, this is my prediction, that we will start to see XRP growing in value in these large cap funds. So, today it's 5%. Tomorrow it could be 15%, and Ethereum could go down to, I don't know, 5, 6, 7%, something like that. Anyway, just maybe a casual prediction for later in 2025. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, wanted to thank Chad for posting that. Mike Manfield, guys, also bringing this to our attention, another Ripple partner, Lulu, to offer T+0 settlements with ARF. ARF is a global leader in providing working capital and settlement liquidity solutions to payment companies, and Lulu Financial, which is a Ripple partner, a global financial services conglomerate, have announced a strategic partnership aimed at revolutionizing settlement times in the global payments and cross-border payments industry. So they're looking to offer T+0 settlement times through this partnership. Lulu gains access to ARF's seamless cross-border treasury management solution built on the PayFi stack, enabling instant settlement capabilities that overcome the challenges of traditional correspondent banking systems. This collaboration reinforces Lulu's position at the forefront of innovation in the financial services sector, while ARF's infrastructure facilitates real-time settlement, a critical requirement for modern global payments. By addressing liquidity needs with innovative solutions, both companies, though, can drive exponential growth in global payments, enhancing operational efficiency, reducing risk, and better serving the financial needs of a global customer base. So, again, another smaller company that sees an opportunity here. In this case, Ripple-enabled Lulu Finance, looking to compete with the banks, offering T+0 settlements with in partnership with another company called ARF. ARF. Does the co-owner have a dog? Probably. Here's a quote: "We are excited to partner with Lulu Fin to deliver real-time settlement solutions that empower exponential growth and more reliable international payments. Our T+0 settlement capabilities we develop on PayFi stack are setting a new standard for the industry." And Lulu's Abib Ahmad, he said, "At Lulu Financial, we strive to develop innovative solutions for a seamless and secure payment experience. Partnering with ARF represents a step forward in this journey. This collaboration underscores our commitment to staying at the forefront of financial innovation while delivering value to our global customer base." So I guess we'll have to wait and see how that partnership does develop. Again, guys, the flywheel effect, more Ripple partners working together. This can only result in something beneficial for us XRP holders at the end of the day. Anyway, I wanted to thank Mike for posting that. Now, yesterday, guys, if you didn't catch yesterday morning's video, I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. I talked about this clip. I showed you guys this clip, but I kind of glazed by it. I found some new information, some new clips from this same gentleman here. This is David Stryzewski. He's the one who is saying that Bank of America, yes, that partnership that Ripple has with Bank of America, that they have been making internal XRP transactions. I think he was suggesting that it was as early as 2019. Then the SEC brought upon the lawsuit, which changed things dramatically. If you guys don't remember that clip, I'm going to play it again. It's only 30 seconds long. Listen to this.
Another one you like is Ripple. You said it is the coin to be looking at right now.
Absolutely.
Why?
Okay, so Ripple actually was the second largest coin prior to the SEC's investigation of them. They did this really weird lawsuit against them, and basically the Ripple's going to be the track that everything's going to be running on in the future. So they created their own stable coin right now.
Okay.
And Bank of America, like I said, they were doing 100% of their internal transactions. They've got 83 different patents on it, and there's some incredible stuff that's going to be coming out. So
that's right. Also, the 83 different patents that are associated with the XRP ledger. So I'm sure many of you guys remember this clip. Now, Amelie here posting this. David Stryzewski, okay, same guy, CEO of Sound Planning Group. Here's something else he had to say about Ripple and XRP.
Talking about another major would be Ripple, XRP. So, the SEC made this very interesting stance against it in January of 21. Bank of America had been utilizing it for 100% of their internal transactions for approximately 2 years, and they was shut down. And so this really efficient system, the second largest coin, now is way back because of how it was regulated. And so that regulator is getting out now, Gary Gensler. And so, and President Trump's met with the CEO of Ripple a couple times. And so I personally think that Ripple is being looked at by the United States as a SWIFT system alternative, as we are looking at digitizing, tokenizing, and Ripple has the ability to kind of be like the internet and be this platform that can be the guardrails of the future, where we tokenizing with HBAR and XLM and different coins like this. But it's an exciting time. I'm just looking for the application so that we can now start talking to regular folks every day, and we can say, this is how this changes your life, not just here's the technology's name.
So that's a big deal, calling XRP the guardrails for everything to follow. Okay, and insinuating too that President Donald Trump, this guy knows that they had not just one, but two meetings with the president. Remember in yesterday's video when I talked about Corey Johnson having that meeting with the White House originally in 2018? Things that make you go, So these are some of the major technologies at play here. And Stryzewski definitely understands this. Again, remember back in 2022 when Brad Garlinghouse said Bank of America is a huge partner of Ripple waiting for the lawsuit to end. Again, this was from November 2022. So it does make sense if you guys did listen closely. He did say that they had already been using XRP for 2 years before the lawsuit hit. So probably by late 2018, maybe early 2019. This is how long Bank of America had been using XRP. And, he also said the United States could be seriously considering it as a swift alternative. So this is all good. Digital Asset Buy also posting this clip, the CEO of Sound Planning Group, David Stryzewski, the same guy who said Bank of America is doing 100% of its internal transactions on Ripple and have 83 different patents on it. Another clip here, and I'm getting the sense that he's not so interested in how high the Bitcoin price will go compared to some of these utility coins. Listen to this.
Yeah, I do think that it's going to hit 100,000, 150,000, but that's probably, my least exciting prediction that I have for you here. Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, these are the other coins. These are altcoins that are coming out right now that are really starting to catch a lot of trend here. And so with new institutional money that's going in right now and kind of the world de-dollarizing, we're seeing an appetite here to invest in some of this technology that could very well lead the future here as we're moving forward.
I want to talk specifically
we're looking for some real world applications.
We are looking for some real world applications. That should be the take home message for you guys, the utility coins. That's what's looking important in 2025, according to the CEO of Sound Planning Group. And he names XRP in all three of these clips. So I have a feeling he is super bullish on XRP. But that's just my opinion. And if you guys want to hear more of my opinions, you can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. Yes, it is a paid subscription, but this is where I'm outlining my XRP targets, my Bitcoin targets, all the other altcoins that I hold. And I do also post some extra things there too. I'm going to be having a live Q&A session this coming Sunday. So join the Patreon if that's something you guys are interested in. Patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.